Alright guys, so this is a video on how to take the inner impeller off of a Champion water pump or a trash pump. I saw one video on there that shows you just putting a 2x4 in there and just whoop, knocking it free. Yeah, there it goes. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Make sure that's just disconnected so you don't fire this thing up on you. These things do not want to move off very easily at all. So what we did is we got this is a jack handle or a piece of steel pipe, a hammer, we got a big ass screwdriver. We took the flywheel or the recoil off, stick the big screwdriver in there where it gets a nice wedge on it like so. I'm going to have my employee hold that. Obviously, to get to this, there's the 4 bolts on this. Then you just hit it with a rubber mallet and it just pops right off. 13 millimeters for all of them. Hold on. Alright, so we're going to get the pipe up against the impeller. He's holding this. Here, we'll get this where you can hold it against the frame. There you go. And then we're just going to gently knock it free. It's already moving. It's already twisting out. Just stiff to do. Oh, there it goes. Now it's coming off. Now it'll unscrew. This is just so we can get to the seal on the inside. This is shooting water through into the engine, making the oil milky. So it's got to be the seal in there. Looks like there's some kind of seal right there. Maybe that's not a seal. Let me see this now. Alright, we're going to go right in here is going to be the seal, and that's bad. So we're going to have to take these 4 bolts off here, pop this thing off and get the seal. But all the video I was going to do is just showing you how to get that impeller off. You know, it's threaded shaft. So that's how you got the impeller off. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. There's no parts or tools to put in the description below, but this will help you out. Peace.